Hi guys!
Welcome back to our channel. Today we are
in Hobby Lobby.
Lobby.
Yay!
Yay!
And at Hobby Lobby, we're just gonna be getting some stuff.
So let's go inside and see what's new. Wow, this is so pretty. All their table decor is 50% off. Sofia spotted the pink stuff. How pretty. Coffee and friends make the perfect blend.
Over here.
For sure.
Some pink flowers in a picture frame.
How pretty.
Wow, guys. Guys, look over here.
Sophia's excited. We haven't been here in a while. How pretty.
Guys, this is made of plastic.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, it's cute. You like this cup?
love
Here, I
it.
found it over here. Guys, look. There's a whole rainbow section over here.
Oh, that's pretty. Wow. That's so pretty. Oh, it's plastic.
Yeah.
I thought it was glass.
Yeah, just in case you just want to know.
It's beautiful.
What's over here?
I love that. I love the eyelashes.
Yep. Oh, look, there's even cups. Be gentle with the cups.
Oh, coffee cups.
Oh, you like coffee, don't you?
It's so cute.
Probably, I don't know. Oh, guys, look.
Mm-hmm. Very busy.
Guys, like, just in case it's somebody's birthday.
How pretty. And all the spring shop is 40% off.
I'm finding out where.
Love. Keep on seeing these in different places. How much are these? $10. You found what? So pretty.
Guys, I found flamingos.
Alright, let's go look.
I found flamingos.
That is huge.
I know. Look here.
Back line, please. Back line one.
Guys.
That's cute.
I know. Like for a little doll to sit down.
Let's go look at the
Yeah, just keep
furniture.
looking. Let's look this way. 'Cause look how cute stuff there is. Oh, look. There's a fluffy chair.
That's cute.
Oh, look, for your office, just in
Yeah.
case.
I like the chair.
Just don't like the pillows.
Mm-hmm.
A rooster. Oh, hello, rooster.
Hello. Oh, that's cute.
If I had a house, I would this.
Yeah.
Yep.
There's Marilyn Monroe.
Guys, look how cute this is.
This is our summer section. This is cute.
Guys, like a little soap dispenser.
Oh, that's so cute.
It's a little card. Wanna check it out?
Strawberries. Yeah. That's so pretty. And it's all strawberries. Strawberry theme.
Let's see.
Oh, I like this.
Oh, beautiful.
Put it back.
Wait, guys, look for the drinks.
Oh yeah, a little coaster. That's cute. What about these ones?
Oh, there's a strawberry.
Oh, I like that. And lemon. Oh, I like that. That's pretty. Watermelon. Oh, that's pretty.
It's only 30%.
30% off.
Plates and bowls.
I really like that. The watermelon with the rainbow.
Me
It's
too.
really pretty.
And the lemon.
And then they
Puppy.
have, oh look,
Yeah, I know. I saw this. Oh, they're cute. Look, guys, there's a lot of cute bottles. Look, a coffee bottle.
mm-hmm.
Glass. I never see a bottle of glass.
That's cute. Oh, look how cute. It's an apron.
Look what I found.
That's so cute.
It's a flamingo.
They have these at the dollar store too.
Yep. Gentle thing.
Got stuff all over your shirt now.
Guys, look at this beautiful plate.
It's pretty, but be careful.
If I know how to
The best
take
is
care
yet
of
to
plates,
come.
you have to hold it gently.
Oh, these are magnets.
You have to hold gently the plate, the glassy plates, and other stuff.
Yes, you gotta be gentle.
I'm dancing over here.
Oh, here's more of these nice trays.
Look, guys, it's Walker. Guys,
Here, I want to get one of these.
what?
Hold on to that. I'm gonna get that.
Look,
Oh, this is so cute.
there's another color blue.
Yeah, it's like old school.
Yeah. Look, what are these for? Oh, cool. Look,
That's pretty.
there's more. Not just
Yeah.
one figure.
Oh, look how cute these are. These are so cute.
Guys, look.
I love that. Oh, look at the mini croc. That one is so cute.
It's a Mickey Mouse pot.
Mm-hmm.
It's cute. And another Mickey Mouse. It's a
Oh, look, and then they have,
Star Wars.
yeah.
Look, a
Oh,
Batman.
look, here's the popcorn maker. Is that what it is? Yeah, popcorn popper. Star Wars.
They have Batman.
Also 40% off.
Happy Mouse.
Yep, happy love.
Happy Home.
That's pretty. Oh, I like this.
Can you even say Happy Home?
What?
Do you want subscribe, guys? We don't want to make this little one sad.
What is she saying?
Subscribe. You don't want to make this picture frame sad.
Sophia. You're a peach.
Oh, yeah, and not cheap.
That's so cute. My little piggy.
Oh, guys, look.
Oh, that's cute. It's funny and it's cute.
Get it.
Oh, more lemon stuff.
Oh, yeah, lemon. I think I put on it.
They have these, like the Burks. And these are 40% off too.
Not bad. 20% off.
40.
I mean 40.
I like those ones, the
Not
gray
bad,
ones.
Not bad. Not bad.
They have those too. Look at these sunflowers, how pretty. They're so big. Look at these pretty sunflowers.
Yep, these are sunflowers. Oh, you didn't see me coming out of nowhere, did you?
No.
I just came out of nowhere.
Their candles are also half off. These are so pretty. I like that. more flowers over here.
Your time starts now.
My time starts now. Put it back. We don't want to break that. That looks so real. Look at this. Don't they look real? More sunflowers. How pretty. Sunflowers and bees. Be happy. I love it. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it.
Thumbs up and like and subscribe. Bye!